Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Steve Beyer. I want to welcome you to my website. There's literally just a ton of information on this website. I'm so glad you made it here. Right below me on this homepage, you'll see a bunch of different conditions that we've effectively treated with the techniques that we use. And it's beyond just the typical chiropractic type conditions that you may think of. In fact, my office specializes in the treatment of chronic conditions. Just to name a few: peripheral neuropathy, thyroid conditions, vertigo or dizziness, ADD and ADHD in children. And off to the left on the home page, you'll see some tabs where you can go to pages on and give you more information about these specific conditions. But just a little bit of introduction about myself before you kind of tour the website. I've been practicing since 1994. I have taken numerous additional hours in training in functional endocrinology, functional blood chemistry analysis, neurotransmitter assessment and balancing. Have actually am actually a graduate of sorts of the Mastering the Thyroid course taught by Dr. Karazian. Dr. Karazian is a noted authority in the field of treating thyroid conditions. He's the author of this book, Why Do I Still Have Thyroid Symptoms When My Lab Tests Are Normal? And so with the additional training in these areas over the years, I've been able to have great success in treating chronic conditions like I mentioned before. And especially when you combine that with the functional neurology that we do in my office. There's some more information on the website also about brain-based therapy, which is another name for functional neurology. In fact, on the very top, the top tab of this page, you'll see what is brain-based therapy. You can get some more information about that. And so what I do in my office is I use a combination of a number of different things, but for the chronic conditions, we're typically getting great success by using a combination of metabolic and neurological treatments. We do the functional neurology to correct any imbalances within the nervous system, and then know how to do the proper laboratory testing and how to evaluate that too, to be able to correct the metabolic aspect of people's conditions. I go into more in depth in this on the pages, on the individual conditions, and on most all the pages you'll notice at the bottom there's a box that you can put in some information where you can get a report and a DVD where I go more in depth into it. So just feel free to browse around through the website. Again, ton of information on it. Feel free to give the office a call if you ever want to ask any questions, or if you don't feel comfortable doing that, just zip me an email. The email is frankfurtbbt@att.net. That's Frankfurt as in the town of Frankfurt, BBT, which stands for Brain-Based Therapy, at att.net. So I look forward to hearing from you, and maybe hope to see you someday and help you or a loved one with what condition that you're suffering with. Thank you.